Welcome to another AlphaSync video, where I'll guide you through the process of connecting your Tesla wall connector to the internet and linking it to your Tesla app. If you're new to this and starting from scratch, you're in the right place. Let's begin. Number 1. Ensure that your Tesla wall connector is turned off. Leave it off for about 10 seconds. Now power it back on and wait until you see a single green light indicator. Number 2. On the wall connector, you'll find a button on the charger head. Hold that button for 5 seconds, then release it. You'll notice that all the green lights illuminate, with one of them blinking. Number 3. Now it's time to set up the connection on your phone. Make sure your cellular data is turned off. Head to your Wi-Fi settings, and patiently wait for the wall connector SSID to appear. The password for this can be found on the back of your Tesla wall connector. While you're at it, follow the steps demonstrated in my video. Number 4. Once you're connected to wall connector SSID, you need to link the wall connector to your home internet. As a standalone device, it can't communicate with the internet. Number 5. While still connected to the wall connector SSID, open your device's web browser and type 192.168.92.1 with HTTP. Follow the actions outlined in my video. Congratulations! You've successfully connected your wall connector to your home internet. The status should now indicate that it's connected, and you can access all the details. Now let's connect the wall connector to your Tesla app. For this setup, ensure that you're using teslaapp version 4.26.2. If you don't have this version, update your app from the App Store or Google Store to the latest version. Please stay with me till the end of this video to see how it's done. Let's get started. First, open your Tesla app, and in the top right corner, tap on your profile. Then, select Add or Remove Products and choose Wall Connector. Follow the remaining steps alongside me. Great job! You've successfully linked your wall connector to the Tesla app. This is a brand new feature available in teslaapp version 4.26.2. If you haven't updated your app yet, please ensure you're using this version to enjoy this feature. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching this video on AlphaSync channel, and I hope this guide was helpful. Stay connected and enjoy the benefits of controlling your wall connector through the Tesla app. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow Tesla enthusiasts. See you next time.